Hello.
How to be brave? How can I love and not afraid to fall watching the stars alone? All of my love suddenly goes away. One step closer. I've done every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I love you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more years. Fine, I don't know song.
You sing, go. 1,000 years.
Just do it.
Go na. Ay, naliligo? Ah.
Hinukay na? Wala na, nakabili na pala.
Ay, talaga?
Ay, hinukay na eh. Oh. I-open natin. Parang ano? Nakuwanduhan eh. I-open natin para makita na maayos.
Pwede bang makawa?
Dito, dito. Itong straight.
Sa dulo, na door. Tapos para yung nasa...
Ito. Yan.
Sa computer.
Hi, Tin!
Ito HR naman, hindi nagsabi. Kailangan pala ang ID na i-represent. Oh my God. Zero visibility. Zero visibility.
Easy.
At the next light, turn left. At the light, turn left onto 5th Street.
We're back.
Maya dyan, sabi, welcome to Charlottesville. Yun pa lang pala, Charlottesville dyan. Bago magpudla yun. Charlottesville. Kaya kaliwa pala, sa kaliwa nakalagay yung ano.
Just photo.
High mirror. Yan ang highway 64.
Where? Stockton.
Yan naman dyan sa puno. Ayan sa puno to. Tala mo, welcome to Charlottesville.
Kuya Lipan, magde-date pa kayo ni Tita Maid sa ano?
Saan?
Starbucks, yun.
Ayos na. Hindi, okay lang. May
Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Ay,
Diretso lang.
nakalagpas na.
Taco Bell. Okay, later. Because no, we are in this side. How I can go now
Half a
there?
mile, turn left onto Cleveland
Ay,
Avenue.
Taco Bell.
We will just walk.
Walk.
No. Your passport.
Ay, passport, please.
Mouse. Try.
See? Kuya, help mommy please.